Hello.
Hello. My name is Milan Ring. I'm an artist-producer from Sydney.
I probably could have introed you because I feel like I could be the president of your fan club. You have like this amazing stage presence and then the shredding on guitar and like your vocal is just like flawless. And then it's like, at any moment, there could be so many things that could like freak me out and make it go wrong. Like,
I make mistakes live, like the loops, things go wrong,
Yeah.
but I just kind of...
But I think that's what's so exciting about it. There's that live element, and it's just like this tension within like the way that you perform that's just like really exciting to watch. Outside of music, what takes up your time?
Because of mixing my music and producing it, that does take up a lot of time for sure. I kind of got my little routine, like, you know, run the dog by the park on the way to the studio, then he'll be tired and probably be panting for half my vocal takes on mixing, but it's okay, you know.
And you're gonna play us a song?
I'm gonna play one of my last release, Step Back.
Yeah.
I wrote it for anyone that has experienced any form of discrimination, bullying, and just thinking about like that experience of high school and all of that, all of the negative rhetoric that was like thrown your way. And it's easy for all that exterior stuff to weigh us down, but really like, you know.
I see you walk my way with that look on your face, yeah. You think I care why you say when it's clear I'll make you red. Why you have to go through that now? Why you take it too far? Why you wanna be cold? Always taking a stab in the dark. Why you wanna make me suffer? Why you gotta be so tough for? What's up? Why can't that be enough? You have found me in my leisure. Oh, my goodness, you don't know better. Want to see your love inside. I know you're hiding all your life. You will not leave me sure. Leave. You will not leave me sure. Just go ahead and step back, yeah. Well, I'll give you 3 chances, yeah. Don't blow them all in one go. You gotta be quick, yeah. If you wanna make the next move, well, I don't want you in my space. Get up out of my face like that day that you wanted to chase, but I won't run away. Standing there, come at me with that knife. That ain't right. You underestimate the quiet ones. We know exactly what needs to be done. Well, you have found me in my leisure. Oh, my goodness, you don't know better. Want to see Yeah, you have found